Alrighty, right. What is a product launch? In the last video I covered what are the two main ranking factors on Amazon, the two biggest, which are conversion rate and sales velocity. If you missed that video, please go back and watch it before you watch this because this one won't make a whole lot of sense. In this video, I'm going to detail exactly what a product launch is and how to go about doing it. So, a product launch is nothing more than a promotional strategy for your product with the intention of achieving desired rank in Amazon search results. So it's a fancy way of saying it's a well thought out game plan of attack that usually involves deeply discounted giveaways of your product over a set duration of time in order to basically tell Amazon's algorithm that our product is just as relevant, if not more relevant, than the best-selling products. That's in essence what it is. See, our product is brand new on Amazon. It just landed at the warehouse. It has no historical sales data on Amazon, so we basically need to train Amazon like this in the same way you would train your dog. We need to train Amazon and tell them that, hey, yeah, this is a brand new product. It has no sales history, but with this product launch, we're going to straight up tell you exactly which keyword search phrases we're relevant for. We're going to tell you exactly how many sales you can expect us to be making on a daily basis, and we're going to even tell you what our average conversion rate is going to look like over a long period of time. Given those three factors, Amazon, that means in return you need to rank our product in relation to what we tell you. So if we can hit on all those three things, you need to rank our product right side by side with the top bestsellers because that is what we are worthy of. That's exactly what we need to communicate with Amazon, and the best way we can communicate that message is through a deeply discounted launch campaign. Now, there are some varying factors. I know everyone hates the term giveaway and they feel like they're going to waste all their money and liquidate their bank account. I understand where it comes from, but you have to think about it like this. And I heard this quote from several of the top sellers around, and it sort of puts your mind at ease and makes sense when you think about it like this. If Jeff Bezos were to knock on your door and ask you, hey, would you give me a check for $10,000, and in exchange, I will put your Amazon product on page 1 for many years to come in the foreseeable future. Is that a high ROI investment that you would make if you were to give Jeff Bezos $10,000 right then and there? Hell yes it is. That'd be the best trade that any human could make ever. What's the beauty of this all? We're not going to have to give away $10,000 worth of units. We're going to have to give away a couple hundred, 200 to 300, maybe 400. It all depends. I'm going to show you exactly how those numbers can vary in a following video, but the point is we're only going to have to give away a few hundred units to achieve our result. We're not going to have to give away $10,000 worth of unit. We're going to have to give away $1,000 to $2,000 maybe, okay? And again, it all depends on the competitiveness of your product, how saturated it is, how many sales the top guys are doing, and many other things like that I'm going to go over next. But I just want to plant that seed in your head of what is sort of next on the horizon for us, what we're going to focus on, and how exactly we're going to go about tackling our goal of getting our product ranked and making sustainable, ongoing sales that we love. So hopefully this video was a nice little intro for you. I'm going to get into the actual specifics in the next video. Stay tuned and keep watching.